When you join a team plan, you get your own dedicated video hosting space. Only the administrator of your team plan can automatically see the content you upload to ScreenPal. However, you can also choose to share content with other members of your team. Once you upload content to your ScreenPal hosting account, it's easy to share specific videos and images with other team members. You can share content to individual users or to groups. Please note that you will be able to share with team members and groups only after being added to a team plan by your team owner or team administrator. If you would like to limit the visibility of a video so that only members of your team can see it, hover over the video. Click Manage. Click the Publishing menu. To ensure that only members of your team will be able to view the video when it is published, under Visibility, select Team User. When you click Save, your video will be visible to any member of your team who is currently logged into their ScreenPal Team account. If a user who is not logged into your team's account tries to use your video's watch link, they will be redirected to the ScreenPal login page. To collaborate on projects across your team, you can share your content with individual team members or with collections of team members called groups. To do this, open the video and click the Users button. This opens the Users box. Enter the name of the group you'd like to share the video with, or the name or email address of an individual user on your team. Click Save. The next time the selected team member visits their team account, they will see your video in their library. Videos shared with you by other users are displayed with this icon on the video thumbnail, showing the teammate who shared the content. When a team member clicks Manage on a shared video, and then clicks the Users button, they can see the video owner and the other team members or groups the video has been shared with. You can also transfer ownership of a video. This means that the team member you select will own the video, can make future updates to it, and can distribute it to other members of the team. To transfer ownership of the video, just click Transfer Ownership. Search for and select the user to whom you'd like to assign the video, and then click Transfer Content. You can transfer ownership of a quiz to a team member in much the same way as you can transfer a video. To view your quizzes, select Quizzes from the drop-down list in your hosting library. Hover over the quiz you'd like to transfer or duplicate. Click Manage. Click this user's icon in the top right. This opens the Users page. You have 3 options. You can share the quiz, which means you retain ownership of it, but each team member or group with whom you share it will have the same access as you. They can edit and duplicate the quiz, transfer ownership of it, and manage quiz sharing. Click this option to duplicate the quiz. This clones the quiz, creating an exact copy of it. You can then choose to assign the duplicate to a teammate. If you do not select the checkbox for Duplicate and assign to another user, the duplicated quiz will be assigned to you. To assign the duplicate to a team member, search for and select them using this drop-down list. You can also duplicate the video associated with the quiz to assign to the same user. If you do not select this option, the original video will be shared with the selected user or group if needed. Finally, you can select Transfer Quiz Ownership. This removes you as the quiz owner and transfers ownership to the selected team member. To delete all existing participant responses and feedback before transferring, click the checkbox for Sanitize Quiz. You can also choose to transfer ownership of the video associated with the quiz by selecting Also Transfer the attached video. When you're finished, click Save. You can also add users and groups to folders to collaborate in a shared workspace. First, click the folder you want to share from the menu on the left. If a folder has subfolders within it, sharing the parent folder also shares all of its subfolders. Next, click the user icon. Enter the names of users or groups, and click Save. Once other team members have been added to a folder, you will see this icon at the top of the page. Share channels too. Just go to the channel you want to share with your teammates. Click the users icon, add users or groups, and then click Save. The team members you select can then upload content to your channel, remove content, and reorder the items within it. As the owner or administrator of a team plan, you might want to limit the sharing ability of your team members. You can do this by going to Settings, Permissions. Under Visibility, select one of the following options for Require Login to view content. To allow members of your team to choose their own visibility setting for items they upload to ScreenPal, as well as the channels they create, select No, Content Owner can choose visibility. To automatically set all uploaded content and channels to team user visibility, select Yes, require content only visible to team users. This means that all content uploaded to ScreenPal by your team members to your team account will require users to log into your team account to view it. If you would like, you can add specific users to a group with visibility override ability. Users within this group will be able to choose a visibility option for their content other than team user. You might do this for a specific group of team members who consistently needs to share public-facing content, for example. To grant override access to a group, click this group's link. This opens the group area of your account. Click the More Options icon for the group to which you want to grant override access. Select Edit Group. Here, select the checkbox for Allow group members to choose visibility for their content. Click Save. All members of this group can now select any visibility setting they like for their content uploads and channels. As a team administrator, you can change any team member's video back to team user visibility by opening the Publishing and Visibility menu, and selecting this checkbox. You can do this for channels as well. Finally, you can choose to override the team user visibility setting for non-team users of your organization's learning management system by selecting this checkbox. Students, for example, can then view ScreenPal content embedded in your LMS by team members, even when that content is set to team user. Team collaboration and sharing is easy with ScreenPal.